Vitamin B12 is also known as cobalamin. It is a water-soluble vitamin that will be important for our body. It will play an important role in the production of red blood cells and our DNA. This vitamin will also be important for supporting the proper function of our nervous system. This vitamin is commonly found in some animal foods such as fish, meats, eggs, poultry, dairy, etc. It can also be found in some products fortified with this vitamin, for example, bread or plant-based milk. However, not all people can get enough vitamin B12 every day. It will be very common to find people with B12 deficiency. Some people who are at risk of the B12 deficiency will include the elderly people, people who had surgery for removing certain organs in the digestive system, people taking the drug metformin for diabetes problem, people who are following a vegan diet, and also people who are taking the long-term antacid drugs. It may take a few years for the symptoms of vitamin B12 to show up. Before it is too late, you may want to take a look at some common symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency so you can treat the situation as soon as possible. Number 1. Pale and jaundiced skin. People with this vitamin B12 deficiency usually look pale. They will have yellow color on the skin and also whitish color on the eyes. This white eye condition is usually known as jaundice. This condition can occur when your body doesn't get enough vitamin B12. It will reduce the ability of your body to produce red blood cells. When this situation is left untreated for a long time, it will cause anemia, called megaloblastic anemia. You don't have enough red blood cells that are circulating around your body. It will lead to pale skin color. Number 2. Weakness and fatigue. When you are not getting enough vitamin B12, you will feel fatigued and weak frequently. Both symptoms will occur because your body doesn't get enough vitamin B12 for making red blood cells. Red blood cells play an important role in transporting oxygen to all parts of your body. In elderly people, this condition is commonly known as pernicious anemia. This anemia is usually caused by insufficient protein as the intrinsic factor. Without this protein, your body cannot bind the vitamin B12, which is important for your body and red blood cell production. Number 3. Sensations of needles and pins. This is another common side effect of vitamin B12 deficiency. When you don't get enough vitamin B12, you will get nerve damage, which will be dangerous for you and your body. During this condition, you will get a paresthesia condition. In this condition, you will feel the sensation of needles and pins. The sensation will be similar to the prickling sensation in your feet and your hands. However, this sensation can be caused by other health issues. You have to be careful with this condition, so you can talk to your doctor immediately when you notice this symptom. Number 4. Glossitis and mouth ulcers. Many people are suffering from this situation, especially when they don't get enough vitamin B12 in their daily diet. Glossitis is a condition when you have an inflamed tongue. When you have this condition, your tongue will change its color and shape. You will have a painful, swollen, and red tongue. Glossitis will change the way you speak and eat. Some people with this vitamin B12 deficiency will also experience some other oral symptoms, such as mouth ulcers. You will feel uncomfortable when you have this condition on your oral system. Number 5. Disturbed vision. Another symptom of vitamin B12 deficiency is blurred and disturbed vision. This condition usually occurs when this deficiency condition will result in nervous system damage on the optic nerve. It will cause some damages to the nervous system behind your eyes. The damage will disrupt the nervous signal, which will usually travel from your eyes to the brain. As the result, this condition will impair our vision significantly. This condition is commonly known as optic neuropathy. There are many other symptoms that may occur when you don't get enough vitamin B12 in your diet. You can take some vitamin B12 supplements for supplying enough vitamin for your body. Check out this playlist for more health and wellness advice. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of health and wellness advice and much more. See you in the next video.